cancer. A word that once echoed fear and uncertainty. Each year, cancer claims the lives of 10 million people around the world. This makes it one of the leading causes of death across the globe. In 2024 alone, 20 million new cases were diagnosed. But today it's also a word that carries something new. Hope. Thanks to groundbreaking research, global collaboration, and relentless innovation, we're entering a new era in cancer treatment. In today's video, we'll explore the most promising therapies that are changing lives, one patient at a time. Let's begin with one of the most transformative breakthroughs: immunotherapy. Traditional therapies have saved countless lives, but they're not without cost. These methods often attack healthy cells along with cancerous ones, leading to side effects so severe they can feel as devastating as the disease itself. Fatigue, organ damage, immune suppression, and even secondary cancers. These are the hidden tolls of the cure. But that's no longer the case. Unlike traditional treatments that attack cancer directly, immunotherapy empowers the body's own immune system to fight back. Think of it as teaching your body to recognize and destroy cancer cells, like giving it a secret weapon. Checkpoint inhibitors like Keytruda and Opdivo have shown remarkable success in treating melanoma, lung cancer, and even some head and neck cancers. Then there's CAR T-cell therapy, a true marvel of personalized medicine. Doctors extract a patient's T-cells, genetically reprogram them to target cancer, and reintroduce them into the body. In India, the Apollo Cancer Center recently treated 2 patients with blood cancers using made-in-India CAR T-cell therapy, and both showed promising recoveries. The next treatment is vaccine treatment. Vaccines aren't just for viruses anymore. Russia's Federal Medical Biological Agency has announced a colon cancer vaccine that showed a 60 to 80% reduction in tumor growth during preclinical trials. This vaccine doesn't prevent cancer. It trains the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. And it's not alone. Personalized mRNA cancer vaccines, similar to the technology used in COVID-19 vaccines, are being trialed in Europe and the UK. These vaccines are tailored to each patient's tumor profile, offering a highly targeted approach. Another cancer treatment is called precision medicine. Imagine a treatment plan designed just for you, not based on averages, but on your unique genetic makeup. That's the promise of precision medicine. By analyzing the DNA of a patient's tumor, doctors can identify mutations and select therapies that target those specific changes. For example, BRCA mutations in breast and ovarian cancers can be treated with PARP inhibitors, which block cancer cells from repairing themselves. This approach reduces side effects and improves outcomes. It's not just medicine. It's personalized healing. Robotics is also helping in cancer treatments. Robotic-assisted surgery allows doctors to perform complex procedures with incredible precision. Smaller incisions mean less pain, faster recovery, and fewer complications. It's especially effective for prostate, gynecologic, and colorectal cancers. These technologies are making surgery safer and more accessible, even for high-risk patients. And of course, we have radiation therapy. Radiation therapy has long been a cornerstone of cancer treatment, but now it's getting a high-tech upgrade. Proton therapy uses charged particles to target tumors with pinpoint accuracy, sparing surrounding healthy tissue. This is especially valuable for pediatric cancers and tumors near vital organs. It's a leap forward in reducing long-term side effects and improving quality of life. Treating cancer is one thing. Catching it early is another. Researchers in the U.S. have developed a blood test that can detect 18 early-stage cancers by analyzing protein markers. In trials, it identified 93% of stage 1 cancers in men and 84% in women. This could revolutionize screening, making it faster, cheaper, and more accurate. It is very difficult to come up with a universal vaccine to cure all types of cancer. It is biologically impossible as cancer is made up of thousands of different conditions. But still, vaccines play a vital role in preventing certain cancers. So far, scientists have identified certain viruses such as HPV, hepatitis B and C, HIV, and other viruses that are known to increase the risk of cancer. They were able to develop vaccines that can help prevent you from strains of these viruses that may lead to certain cancers. For instance, the HPV vaccine targets strains that can cause cancers in reproductive organs. The HPV vaccine, meanwhile, helps prevent cases of liver cancer that comes from hepatitis B. For decades, the word cancer felt like a final verdict. The future of cancer treatment isn't just chemo or surgery, it's precision, immunity, and prevention. And with every breakthrough, we move closer to a world where cancer isn't a curse, but a challenge we know how to beat. From vaccines and gene editing to robotics and personalized care, the fight against cancer is evolving faster than ever. These treatments aren't just theories. They're saving lives. And while the journey is far from over, each breakthrough brings us closer to a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but an obstacle we know how to overcome. Because the cure isn't just coming, it's already beginning. So let's keep pushing, keep researching, keep hoping, and keep asking why. On YouTube,